In order to solve the puzzle of sleep, it's important to first understand the science behind it. This lecture will delve into the different stages of sleep, the role of hormones in regulating sleep, and the importance of the circadian rhythm. Alongside Western medicine, we'll take a look at the Oriental medicine point of view of things. Sleep is a complex process that can be divided into two main types: rapid eye movement, REM, and non-rapid eye movement, NREM sleep. During NREM sleep, the body is in a state of physical relaxation and the brain activity slows down. NREM sleep can be further divided into three stages, each of which is characterized by different brainwave patterns. Stage 1 of the NREM sleep is the transition from wakefulness to sleep. During this stage, the brain activity slows down, the body begins to relax. This stage usually lasts only a few minutes. Second stage of the NREM sleep is a deeper state of relaxation. During this stage, the brain activity continues to slow down and the body temperature drops. Stage number 3, NREM sleep, is the deepest stage of sleep. During this stage, brain activity is at its lowest and the body is completely relaxed. This is the stage during which the body repairs and regenerates itself. REM sleep, on the other hand, is characterized by the rapid eye movement, and it is during this stage that we experience most of our dreaming. During REM sleep, brain activity is actually more active than it is during wakefulness, and the body is paralyzed to prevent us from acting out our dreams. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating sleep. Melatonin, for example, is an hormone that is produced by the pineal gland in response to darkness, and it helps to regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Cortisol, on the other hand, is the hormone that is produced by the adrenal glands in response to stress and can interfere with sleep if levels are elevated at night. The circadian rhythm is also crucial for regulating sleep. This is the body's internal clock, which helps to regulate sleep-wake cycles based on external cues such as light and darkness. When the circadian rhythm is disrupted, such as when we travel across time zones or work night shifts, it can interfere with our ability to get a good night's sleep. By understanding the science of sleep, we can begin to understand why we sleep, how our bodies regulate sleep, and what factors can interfere with our sleep. Armed with this knowledge, we can begin to take steps to improve the quality and quantity of our sleep and unlock the secrets to better sleep and health.